Hello everyone, so today's tip is material, to be honest. If you're trying to learn how to model, let's say, a hard surface, in real life, there won't be, like a plane, because in most cases when we're trying to work on the topology, learn topology, we're playing on some kind of plane, and let's say we're trying to get and learn new stuff, how to use the flow. And in general, if you will play all the time with let's say plane, you won't see if the topology is great, because the density can impact the hard surface or sub-D modeling. So what I highly recommend you to use the, let's say, material which has shininess. And I personally prefer to give me a second, right click and go to a blend. I don't know why I have so many materials created, okay, but let's figure it out later. So in general, as you can see from the reflection, I can see if the topology and let's say workflow is working well or not. And you can decide. Probably you won't see properly these reflections, but I can see that in this area we have something weird. And in here, as you can see, the topology was changed. Okay, definitely it's not a major issue, because it's barely can be visible. And in here as well, the topology has been changed, and as you can see, the flow changed. However, in this scenario, we barely can see on the reflections. Okay, so let's check this out, this one. And in here we have something not right, but it's still maybe. No, I probably will try to check it. So, in this area, I believe that reflection, because it's just like a squeezed in here a bit, so probably we need to do some spreading between the lines, in order to get a proper reflection, something like that. And okay, so let's check our bending tool, and let's try to bend in our direction, just to check it out. And right away we can try to troubleshoot this area, the same barely visible issue. We can live with that in here as well, but in this, as you can see, in this area we have a problem. So we can check it and try to fix this issue right away. So for example, it's definitely not the best fix, but it's close. Okay, for this line we can see definitely we need to do the same, align to the line. At least definitely we can go and move a bit with a Control and Shift the line, but okay, so need to remove that one too. Great. So, and as you can see right now, it's looking better. So as you saw, better way to troubleshoot your topology and work on the hard surface, with the reflection. And if you will be working on the hard surfaces, you will definitely be working with reflections. So get used to that. Have a nice day.